What is ReactJS? ReactJS is a powerful JavaScript library developed by Facebook. It's designed to build user interfaces with reusable components, making the development process faster and more intuitive. What makes ReactJS stand out? First is component-based architecture. React uses reusable building blocks. This leads to easier maintenance and scalability. Next one is virtual DOM. React ensures efficient updates with the virtual DOM. This results in improved performance. Another one is JSX. JSX offers a familiar syntax. It seamlessly integrates HTML with JavaScript. One-way data binding is also worth mentioning. React has a predictable one-way data flow. This makes debugging easier. With ReactJS, developers can create dynamic UIs with less code. React's component-based architecture promotes code reusability and reduces redundancy. Enjoy a gentle learning curve with React's straightforward syntax and comprehensive documentation, making it easy for newcomers. ReactJS boasts a vast ecosystem and thriving community, which offers developers with extensive libraries, powerful tools, and robust community support. These factors combine to significantly enhance development productivity, making React a top choice for modern web development. React also allows developers to build both web and mobile applications efficiently. At Microsoft, we've been at the forefront of web development for over 30 years. Our expert team leverages ReactJS to create stunning, interactive UIs that engage users and drive results. Are you ready to transform your web presence with ReactJS? Contact Microsoft today and let's build something amazing together.